Hey guys, it's Sia back with another phone. Today, we're going to check the Poco X6 5G, a mid-range smartphone that's packed a serious punch. A dazzling AMOLED display, a camera system with image stabilization that promises to capture your best moments with crystal clarity, and a processor that handles everything you throw at it, all without breaking the bank. But can it really go toe-to-toe with the big leagues? Stick around as we put the Poco X6 5G through its paces and see if it's the mid-range champion we've all been waiting for. Poco X6 5G with awesome display. The Poco X6 5G takes center stage with a gorgeous 6.67-inch AMOLED display. Not only does this display offer vibrant colors, deep blacks, and incredible contrast, but it also boasts a smooth 120Hz refresh rate for a super responsive and fluid experience, perfect for gaming, watching videos, and scrolling through social media. With support for Dolby Vision and a peak brightness of 1800 nits, you'll enjoy an immersive viewing experience even outdoors on a bright sunny day. Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protects the display from scratches and accidental drops. Powerful performance handles everyday tasks and more. The Poco X6 5G is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7's Gen 2 processor, built on a 4nm process for improved efficiency. Paired with 8GB or 12GB of RAM, this combination should provide smooth performance for everyday tasks like browsing the web, social media, and using messaging apps. You can choose between 256GB or 512GB of storage, ensuring you have enough space for your apps, photos, and videos. While it might not be the top-of-the-line processor, it offers enough muscle to handle even some mobile games. Versatile camera system captures stunning photos and videos. The Poco X6 5G boasts a triple camera system on the back. The main 64-megapixel sensor with OIS, optical image stabilization, is designed to capture stunning photos and videos, even in low-light conditions. The 8-megapixel ultrawide sensor lets you capture expansive landscapes and group shots, while the 2-megapixel macro sensor allows you to capture close-up shots in great detail. On the front, a 16-megapixel selfie camera ensures you look your best in video calls and selfies. Both the main and selfie cameras can record videos in up to 4K resolution at 30 FPS. Designed for the modern user, the Poco X6 5G boasts a stylish design with a combination of glass and plastic. A fingerprint sensor under the display provides convenient security access. The phone comes with a 3.5mm headphone jack, a welcome feature for audio enthusiasts who prefer wired headphones. For those who enjoy high-quality audio, the phone also boasts 24-bit, 192kHz high-res audio support and high-res wireless audio support. Long-lasting battery with blazing fast charging. The Poco X6 5G packs a 5100 mAh battery, promising long battery life on a single charge for most users. When you do need to top up, the phone supports 67W wired fast charging, which can reportedly get you to 100% in just 44 minutes. A mid-range powerhouse with premium features. With a starting price of around 15,990 rupees, roughly $228, the Poco X6 5G offers a compelling package for users looking for a feature-packed mid-range phone. The phone boasts a stunning AMOLED display with a high refresh rate, a capable camera system with image stabilization, a powerful processor, and a long-lasting battery with fast charging. The presence of a 3.5mm headphone jack and high-res audio support are additional bonuses. Is Poco X6 5G worth buying? Looking for a phone with a beautiful display, a powerful processor, a versatile camera system, and long battery life? The Poco X6 5G might be the perfect choice for you. Let me know in the comments below what you think of the Poco X6 5G. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Mobile Munch for more tech reviews.